Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr Sudarshan. Today, let us learn about Kottamchukkadi Thailam, a very famous Ayurvedic oil used in the treatment of Vata disorders causing neuromuscular pains, sciatica, spondylosis, etc. This oil is formulated based on Kerala Ayurveda practice. Now, let us learn about different uses of this oil. It helps to relieve pain and inflammation, and it is used in the treatment of arthritis, sciatica, myalgia, spondylosis, neck sprain, ankle sprain, blunt injury of knee, tennis elbow, etc. It is also useful in intercostal neuropathy, useful to relieve numbness, pain and stiffness, bursitis, bursitis trochanterica, shoulder dislocation pain, post-viral fever when the patient complains of body, muscle and joint pains. A unique feature of Kottamchukkadi Thailam is explained as Stambha Vinashanam. It means this oil is specifically used for relieving stiffness, as in cases of early morning stiffness of joints in rheumatoid arthritis, muscle spasms and stiffness after injury, increased joint stiffness in elders during harsh winter, etc. It helps to keep the joints and limbs warm. Reference of this oil is found in SAHASRAYOGAM-TAILA Yoga PRAKARANA. According to the sloka of Kottamchukkadi Thailam, Kushtam Shunti Vacha Shigruhu Kartotti Lashunam Tatha Siddhartha Suvaha Devadrumam Pishtvatha Pachayet Dadhi Chincha Rasau Dattva Tailam Abhyanga Hetave Vata Vyadi Prashamanam Matra Stamba Vinashanam Achintyo Asya Prabhavohi Mani Mantradi Vatsmritaha. That means Kottamchukkadi Thailam contains costus root, ginger, calamus, moringa, garlic, wild caper bush, Himalayan cedar, mustard, rasna, sesame oil, curd and juice of tamarind leaves. If this oil is used for Abhyanga, it helps to cure Vata disorders and rigidity or stiffness of the body parts. Mode of usage of Kottamchukkadi oil. It is used for massage and Ayurvedic therapies like Dhara, Katibasti, Janubasti, Pichu, etc. In low back aches, it is used for an oil pooling method called Katibasti. Since it is only used for external application, this can be applied over the painful swollen areas for a very long period of time. Consult your doctor before using it. Thanks for watching this video. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.